kami ng mga anonymous student, random na pinili, hindi lang sa 4th year, hindi lang sa isang curriculum. And the starting of the crowd goes to, sa boys muna tayo, goes to John Tancredo. Then we go on with Josefina Sedon to award the sash and we call on Sidon to assist the awarding. And the darling of the crowd, thank you, Mr.